Brace yourselves, America, as China takes the lead in the race for flying cars. While we're stuck in traffic, XPeng Aero HT is revolutionizing urban transport, leaving us in the dust.
If you like big wheels, you're going to love the Shane, a new electric vehicle concept with what looks like 60-inch rims.
The rapid growth of Chinese automotive technology has led to the development of more advanced, secure, and energy-efficient next-generation cars.
Welcome back. Over the past 2 years, the number of Chinese auto exports jumped by more than half. Elizabeth Palmer shows us how more Americans could soon get the chance to drive a vehicle made in China.
These vehicles, equipped with cutting-edge driver assistance systems and electric powertrains, represent the pinnacle of modern automotive design. They are not just about technological advancements. They represent the future of transportation and have left the world in awe. Which Chinese cars are leading the charge in technological innovation, and how are they pushing the limits of the automotive revolution? Join us as we reveal advanced Chinese next-generation transport that shocks everyone. NIO ET9 Sedan. NIO is one of the leading Chinese electric vehicle manufacturers, and it recently unveiled its flagship model, the ET9. This model brings the company's lineup to 9 electric vehicles. While NIO intends to enter the U.S. market, it focuses on its current domestic demand.
According to China EV Post, NIO plans to sell its first car in the U.S. by 2025. The company will import its China-built electric vehicles into the U.S. rather than manufacturing them locally.
The ET9 boasts impressive technology, featuring a 900-volt electrical architecture and steer-by-wire technology. Here is a big fact. In terms of size, the ET9 surpasses even the extended wheelbase version of the Bentley Bentayga, measuring 209.7 inches in length compared to the Bentayga's 208.9 inches. NIO has coined the term land jet to describe the ET9. It features a powerful all-wheel drive system with 2 electric motors. A smaller 241 horsepower asynchronous motor powers the front wheels, while a larger 456 horsepower permanent magnet synchronous motor drives the rear wheels, resulting in a combined output of 697 horsepower. The ET9 is equipped with a 120.0 kilowatt-hour battery that operates at a high voltage of 925 volts and is capable of fast DC charging at speeds of up to 600 kilowatts. Although specific performance figures and range estimates are not yet available, NIO claims that under ideal conditions, the ET9 can recharge at a rate that provides up to 158 miles of additional range in just 5 minutes. NIO offers automated battery swap stations in China to enhance convenience further, replacing depleted batteries with fully charged ones in under 5 minutes.
The idea of swapping batteries on electric vehicles isn't exactly new. The technology is already available and growing fast in China.
The ET9 is the first NIO model to incorporate steer-by-wire technology, a feature expected to become more prevalent in the automotive industry. Like the Tesla Cybertruck, the ET9 eliminates the traditional mechanical connection between the steering wheel and the steering rack, relying solely on electrical signals for input and feedback. This technology helps redundancy in case of power failure, ensuring the driver's and passengers' safety. NIO has previously collaborated with ZF Group on steer-by-wire technology, suggesting that this supplier developed the ET9 system. Additionally, the ET9 features rear-wheel steering and an active suspension with height-adjustable air springs, further enhancing its driving dynamics. The ET9, like many other luxury Chinese vehicles, prioritizes the comfort and convenience of rear-seat passengers. Inspired by private jets, the rear seats offer a luxurious experience with reclining capabilities, an aircraft-style tray table, and motorized shades for privacy and noise reduction. That is not all. The ET9 has multiple digital displays, including a 15.6-inch central touchscreen, 14.6-inch displays for rear passengers, and a smaller 8.0-inch control screen in the rear. In terms of advanced driving technology, the ET9 supports higher-level assisted driving features.
Notably, the vehicle introduces a self-driving chip developed in-house, making it the pioneer in employing the advanced 5-nanometer process technology within China's automotive sector.
Thanks to its 3 LiDAR arrays. The Shenji NX 9031 provides the powerful computing capabilities required for these systems and is claimed to be the world's first 5-nanometer automotive-grade chip. This impressive technology can undoubtedly be a conversation starter for ET9 owners. The ET9 is currently available for pre-orders in China, with deliveries expected to begin in the first quarter of 2025. Prices start at approximately $112,000 at current exchange rates. Would you love to have one if the company eventually exports this model to the United States? Tell us in the comment section. Moving on to the next marvel of modern Chinese transportation, a train that doesn't roll along tracks. This will leave you shocked. Suspended Maglev train. Have you ever heard of the world's fastest trains? Many of these high-speed trains originate in Asia. Interestingly, some trains travel above the ground, suspended beneath the track. China's latest high-speed train relies on magnetic levitation technology to travel through tubes up to 4,000 kilometers per hour. In recent tests, the Maglev train reached 623 kilometers per hour, surpassing the fastest currently operational trains. While not yet in commercial service, the train achieved a new speed record of 623 kilometers per hour during a test of its low-vacuum tube technology in February.
In Chengdu, engineers are working on the future of rail travel, the Maglev. Theoretically, it could travel at a flying speed of over 500 kilometers per hour. That is the dream. In practice, things are more complicated.
This marks a significant milestone for the project, as the train traveled stably through a 2-kilometer-long tube. The Aerospace Science and Industry Corporation has not disclosed the exact speed achieved in this test, but confirmed that it was faster than the previous record. Maglev trains utilize magnetic levitation technology, employing magnets' repulsive and attractive forces to guide, accelerate, and decelerate the train. This eliminates the need for wheels, brakes, and other heavy components, making Maglev trains significantly lighter. This train can rival even the speed of commercial airplanes. The benefits of Maglev trains will leave you speechless. Commuters can travel from greater distances to cities, and the increased logistics speed will positively impact businesses. With the potential to reach more than 1,000 kilometers per hour, Maglev trains can compete with airplanes, offering a viable alternative for long-distance travel. Associate Professor Jonathan Kuldrick from the ANU College of Engineering, Computing, and Cybernetics states that a high-speed train like China's Maglev would significantly help large countries. For instance, commuting 400 kilometers in approximately half an hour is like nothing we've ever seen. This would enable people to live in areas outside of major cities. Mr. Kuldrick believes that these fast trains could also be environmentally beneficial. He estimates that completely replacing regional passenger aircraft with ultra-high-speed trains in certain countries could reduce carbon emissions by 3 to 4%. Designers are pushing the boundaries of train technology. Mao Kai, the technical chief of the project, mentioned that the train surpasses the record of 3,529.6 kilometers per hour set by the SR-71 Blackbird reconnaissance aircraft, the fastest human-crewed aircraft in history.
The SR-71, nicknamed Blackbird and Habu, based off the designs of the A-12 and YF-A-12, was first seen soaring in the skies in 1964.
Japan's fastest bullet train can only reach a maximum speed of approximately 320 kilometers per hour. However, Japan also has a 42-kilometer test track, where a Maglev train has achieved a speed of 503 kilometers per hour. Dr. Laird said this Maglev train will not enter service until at least 2030. When Japan's new generation of Maglev trains becomes operational, they are expected to travel at a maximum speed of 500 kilometers per hour between Tokyo and Nagoya. The following vehicle on our list is a two-wheeler with astonishing capabilities. Hoverboard, Shane. This is the latest tool from Shane Chen, the creator of the original hoverboard. Shane is the first two-wheeled EV concept that is ready for everyday use. Chen, the inventor of the self-balancing hovertrack scooter, also known as the hoverboard, patented his creation in 2012. Chen holds 76 patents in the United States despite widespread copying by other Chinese manufacturers. Chen describes Shane as a groundbreaking moment in automotive history, marking the practicality of a parallel two-wheeled electric car. While the vehicle's exterior may resemble a toy, Shane is designed to accommodate 5 adults comfortably. The interior evokes the sensation of preparing for a futuristic roller coaster ride. When in motion, the vehicle's wheels automatically adjust to maintain balance. The creator believes that this design enables safe travel at high speeds. Shane, quote, S shifting center of gravity counteracts driving and braking forces.
Created by the inventor of the hoverboard, Shane combines several fascinating technologies. If you like big wheels, you'll love Shane, a new electric vehicle concept with 60-inch rims.
Ensuring stability comparable to a 4-wheeled vehicle. The 2-wheel differential speed control simplifies parking and maneuvering. The vehicle's large wheels minimize rolling resistance and incorporate regenerative shocks to convert damping energy into battery power. Although not mentioned, Shane's roof appears to feature solar panel technology. Chen expresses confidence in Shane's potential to revolutionize mobility and seeks partners to bring the concept to fruition. The interior lacks a traditional steering wheel and features minimal controls beyond those visible in the center for the driver and passenger. The next vehicle can float in an emergency. Keep watching to learn more about this jaw-dropping technology. BYD Yang Wang U8, or floating SUV. The U8 was first revealed at the Guangzhou Auto Show on January 5, 2023. Sales of the SUV started on April 18th in China. Pricing was announced on September 20th, 2023. At approximately $150,000, the U8 Premium Edition was the most expensive Chinese mass-produced electric car at the time of its introduction. However, this record was later surpassed by the Yang Wang U9 Supercar in February 2024, priced at approximately $230,000. The U8 will also be offered in an off-road Master Edition, equipped with off-road enhancements such as a redesigned front bumper, a snorkel, and a detachable roof rack with a side ladder. This marvel features BYD's proprietary individual wheel drive technology.
BYD, the Chinese company that became the world's largest plug-in vehicle maker in less than 20 years, launched a new car brand called Yang Wang,
the world's first exclusive intelligent hydraulic body control system for new energy off-road vehicles. With 4 separate electric motors propelling each wheel, this technology enables the traction control system to redistribute torque and maintain vehicle stability in the event of a tire puncture at high speeds. Additionally, the U8 can utilize differential steering, performing a 359-degree tank turn in tight spaces by rotating the left and right wheels in opposite directions. During a media event in early 2023, BYD CEO Wang Chuanfu personally demonstrated the vehicle's capabilities by driving a mechanism-wheeled demo vehicle sideways onto the stage. According to the developers, the new electronically controlled all-wheel drive system is 100 times faster than a conventional all-wheel drive system. We are about to reveal the most exciting innovation of this vehicle. Keep watching to find out. The U8 features DISC-P active suspension, which can increase ground clearance by 15 centimeters. As an off-road vehicle, the U8 Premium Edition can wade in a maximum depth of 1,000 mm, while the Off-Road Master Edition can wade up to 1,400 mm and is equipped with a snorkel. It also has limited water sailing capabilities, although BYD discourages owners from attempting this, as it is intended as an emergency escape feature for disaster situations like flash floods. Owners must take their vehicles to a service center for inspection afterward. When the car detects higher water depth than the wading limit, it activates an emergency floating mode. In this mode, the vehicle shuts down its petrol engine. The DISC-P system raises the suspension to the maximum level.
The Yang Wang U8 introduces a new high-tech feature, which is the life-saving emergency flotation capability.
The windows close automatically, the air conditioner switches to internal circulation mode, and the sunroof opens to provide an emergency exit. It can stay afloat for 30 minutes and move forward at 3 km per h. The U8 has approach, departure, and breakover angles of 36.5 degrees, 35.4 degrees, and 25.5 degrees respectively, with an RTI of 600. The U8's dashboard incorporates 3 screens, a 23.6-inch instrument panel screen for the driver, a vertical 12.8-inch central control infotainment screen, and another 23.6-inch infotainment screen for the front passenger. 2 screens are mounted to the back of the front seats for the rear passengers, and another is mounted on the console between the rear seats. The driver is supplemented with a 70-inch augmented reality head-up display and 22 Dynaudio branded speakers. Other in-car technologies include 3 mobile phone wireless chargers, a thermographic camera, and an integrated satellite phone. The center console features a built-in compressor fridge, freezer, and heater capable of maintaining temperatures between -6 and 50 degrees Celsius. The U8 utilizes the NVIDIA Drive Orin system on a chip, SoC, for its Level 2 advanced driver assistance system, with a computational power of 508 TOPS. Input is supplied from 38 sensors around the vehicle, including 3 LiDARs, 13 cameras, 12 ultrasonic radars, and 5 millimeter wave radars. If you think the floating car is amazing, wait for the driverless air taxi. XANG 216S Drone Taxi. We are talking about the EH216S. This unmanned vehicle stands out due to its autonomous flight capabilities, fully electric propulsion, robust redundancy safety features, and intelligent command and control systems for fleet management. These characteristics make it well-suited for various urban air mobility applications, such as air taxis, aerial tourism, airport transfers, inter-island travel, and more. The EH216S achieved a significant milestone by obtaining the world's first type certificate and standard airworthiness certificate for a pilotless passenger-carrying eVTOL aircraft.
What we're here to celebrate today is the rollout of our first aircraft off our pilot manufacturing line here in Marina. And specifically, really excited to announce today that we have received from the FAA our special certificate of airworthiness for that aircraft.
From the Civil Aviation Administration of China in 2023. This accomplishment shows XANG's unwavering commitment to safety and quality, endorsed by a national aviation authority. In contrast to traditional passenger-carrying aerial vehicles, XANG's passenger-carrying electric unmanned aerial vehicles adhere to 3 key design principles: full backup safety design, unmanned operation, and centralized management facilitated by the Intelligent Command and Control Center. This safe, environmentally friendly, and intelligent passenger-carrying electric vertical takeoff and landing UAV can offer short to medium distance, low-altitude mobility solutions for the future of smart transportation. This advanced unmanned flight technology can eliminate errors caused by human operation, allowing passengers to fully relax and enjoy the journey without worrying about control issues. The VSILE can also survey the routes in advance and offer a variety of customizable flight plans. If an emergency arises on a route, the command and control system will automatically select an alternative route to continue the flight, ensuring a smooth journey. But this is the most interesting part. XANG's passenger-carrying UAVs leverage 4G/5G high-speed wireless networks, enabling seamless communication between the UAVs and the command and control center, facilitating remote control and real-time transmission of flight data. It relies on electric power to minimize environmental harm caused by emissions. The aircraft can be fully charged in just 2 hours, and the charging devices can communicate in real time with the aircraft's battery management system. Flight safety also incorporates a built-in fail-safe system in the flight control system to continuously assess the aircraft's health status, while communication safety employs a dual assurance communication system to prevent malicious interference. Contingency reaction ensures that in case of an emergency, the command and control center will intervene to prioritize the safety of passengers and the aircraft. Have you ever dreamed of flying in a car with your partner? Well, the solution might just be ahead. GAC's Flying Car Gov. We are talking about the Gov. Gov is a cutting-edge electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft and latest innovation of the Chinese automaker GAC that produces electric vehicles under the AAON brand. This futuristic vehicle proves the company's innovative approach to transportation technology. GAC's Flying Vehicle Gov features a modular design, allowing the flight cabin and chassis to be detached or connected as needed, optimizing the use of both flight and ground driving modes. The Gov is a 2-person car, capable of vertical takeoff and landing. The The Gove has a maximum takeoff weight of 500 kilograms, a maximum cruising speed of 80 kilometers per h, a maximum flight range of 200 kilometers, a maximum flight altitude of 3,000 meters. Additionally, it is equipped with an advanced intelligent driving assistance system that enables automatic takeoff and landing, automatic obstacle avoidance, automatic navigation, and other features, providing users with a safe, convenient, and comfortable travel experience. However,
our XPeng Aerospace brand is a global brand in the future. So we are now in the researching process. We are make the step by step to the international market.
Obtaining certification for passenger flights with eVTOLs, especially electric aircraft connected to cars, will likely be a lengthy process due to extensive regulations in various countries. Despite this, GAC has made progress with the Gove, successfully completing its maiden flight outside the company headquarters. The Gove is equipped with GAC's autonomous Attigo pilot system and a dual backup multi-rotor flight system. As demonstrated in the launch video, the passenger sits within the eVTOL portion, while the vehicle below navigates autonomously. In the future, this technology could enable vertical takeoff from roadways, with the car portion autonomously returning to a GAC base. Although this future scenario may be some time away due to current infrastructure limitations, it offers an interesting look into the potential direction of all-electric mobility. It is important to mention that Gove has undergone extensive testing, including power system endurance, multi-power testing, iron bird tests, static load testing, tethered flight trials, hover tests, chassis takeoff trials, and performance validation. With the special flight permit, the flying car team will continue to focus on high-safety manned flight. The team aims to advance technological upgrades, ensure engineering feasibility, gather data and experience for mass production, testing, and certification, and ultimately accelerate product commercialization. The next car we are about to reveal is sending shocks down the spine of supercar makers. The reason why big brands like Ferrari and Bugatti are scared of it is not what you think. Yangwang U9 Supercar. Chinese automaker BYD is challenging high-end car brands like Ferrari and Lamborghini with its new Yangwang U9. The electric supercar boasts a 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration time of 2.36 seconds and a price tag of around $233,400. BYD is expanding its market reach by targeting luxury car segments. After introducing affordable electric models and competing with gasoline-powered cars, BYD has now set its sights on the premium market. BYD launched the Yangwang brand last year,
but now BYD from China have Yangwang,
featuring the off-road U8 and U9 electric supercar. We already mentioned the U8 at the beginning of the video, and it has gained attention as a rival to luxury SUVs like the Mercedes G-Class and Land Rover Defender, offering impressive power, off-road capabilities, and advanced features. The U8 is even capable of hovering through water in a float mode. Additionally, BYD recently unveiled the U7, an electric sedan with over 1,300 horsepower. BYD's Yangwang U9 electric supercar is powered by a large 135.5 kWh battery pack, offering a driving range of up to 497 miles. With a starting price of around $140,000, the U9 has officially launched in China. Customers can now place orders and schedule production. BYD claims that the new electric car marks the beginning of a new era for pure electric supercars. It boasts exceptional power, surpassing even V12 engines. Powered by 4 electric motors, the U9 delivers 1,287 horsepower and 1,200 pound-feet of torque. But here is the shocking part that has left other super brands in awe. The U9 outperforms other supercars like the Ferrari SF90 and Bugatti Chiron. It also boasts other advanced technology, including BYD's Disus X full-active body control system, which allows the car to perform dynamic movements like jumping and dancing. It even offers a choice of 4 dance mode songs for a synchronized experience. The U9 also features a range of aerodynamic features, such as an adjustable rear wing, active diffuser, and large carbon fiber rear wing. Inside, The car has a cutting-edge cockpit with advanced features like DieLink and DiePilot. It also includes a unique racing assistant mode, which learns and analyzes the driving techniques of top drivers to provide precise guidance and improve performance. BYD's rapid growth and expansion are evident, both domestically and internationally. The company is leading EV imports in markets like Japan and Thailand, and is considering establishing a plant in Mexico to serve the US market. Even premium car brands are feeling the pressure from Chinese automakers like BYD. Jim Farley, the CEO of Ford, recently confessed that American EV makers have a lot of catch-up to do with their Chinese counterparts. We leapt one of the EBST for the last, XPeng Aero HT X3. XPeng Aero is a subsidiary of Chinese XPeng Automotive Company. The firm unveiled its modular flying car, also known as the land aircraft carrier, and announced plans for mass production and pricing, although the technical characteristics of the car are still kept secret. XPeng Aero aims to start producing and delivering the flying car in 2026, with a price tag of around $280,000. The company plans to conduct the first public manned flight of the flying car at the Zhuhai Air Show in November.
This is the XPeng Aero eVTOL flying car,
and will also showcase it at the Guangzhou Auto Show. You can watch out for these air shows to see the pinnacle of Chinese automotive competence in real time. XPeng Aero has announced that pre-sales for its modular flying car will begin in late 2024, with mass production and deliveries starting in 2026. This timeline is a slight delay from the previously announced schedule. The company's Guangzhou factory is expected to be completed by July 2025, with an annual production capacity of over 10,000 units. The company aims to surpass the combined production of all other eVTOL manufacturers worldwide, and it has developed a total of 5 flying cars and conducted over 20,000 flight tests. The company's development plan includes the eVTOL flying car and the modular flying car, which consists of a flying car and a mother vehicle for recharging. The mother vehicle will have an extended range powertrain, all-wheel drive, and rear-wheel steering. XPeng Aero has also submitted a type certificate application to Chinese authorities for the flying car's flying body, known as the X3F. Thank you for staying with us. Which of these engineering marvels would you love to ride? Please share your thoughts with us in the comments section. If you enjoyed watching the video, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, click the following video on your screen, and you will enjoy it.